Irie friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some planting, and my assistant Leah, my daughter, she's going to be helping us today. So we have this area behind the bench. For the most part, I'm pleased with the placement. We have the pink lady apple, and we have the, go read that tag for me please, on that apple tree. I keep forgetting what variety it is.
Gala apple.
Yes, okay, come back.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. So we have the pink lady and we have the gala, and the bench was originally sitting here, which was nice, but I decided to bring the bench out some more, and now we have all this space here, right? I have one more apple tree, which is the Arkansas apple. It's supposed to be a little bit more rust resistant and disease resistant, and it's further in the back, and I don't feel like it's developing as well as these other two. I think it just needs a little bit more sun. So what I'm thinking is to bring that apple and add it in the mix. Usually you want to give a little variation for your fruit trees, you know, not plant all the apples together, all the peaches together and stuff. Today I'm really just trying to give some movement, some variations with how far or close they are to the border. So I'm thinking that I would either have the apple tree planted here, so right up in the front, kind of give a little bit of shade to the bench area, or further back here closer to the rock wall, but I think that's a little bit still too close to the planting of the other two. So I think I am going to do closer to the bench here. In the spacing of the 3 apple trees, you know, the spacing here, the space behind, and the space next to over on the other side, I think I'm going to use my 3 Emily Bronte rows to fill in that space. We're gonna grab the Arkansas apple, put her here, and then we're gonna go around and gather the Emily Bronte rows and place them in between. How does that sound?
Good.
All right, here she goes. It's the perfect time because she's not really too budded up, so at least the ground is nice and soft after the rain. Yeah. I'm just going as wide as the branches, so maybe that's as wide as the roots are. Definitely don't want to damage her roots.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Everybody worm.
Leah loves her worms. There you go. The worm. All right, baby, I want you to hold this for me and pull up. Oh, okay, hold on.
Am I pulling too much?
Hold on. Okay, pull up. Expected the roots to be a little bit more advanced than this. Hopefully it does better in that area. Let's get the bench out the way so I could see. Okay. All right. Okay, all right. Let mommy get this whole dog because it is starting to drizzle. Hey baby, tell me what looks good from the top.
What do you mean?
Like which direction? Because sometimes you could spin it here or here.
I like
Is it straight?
pressing over there a bit more. Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah. What do
Right.
I do?
Come on, come over this side. Leah, stay over that side. Watch where you're stepping. And
Dig.
no, push back dirt.
That's what I mean.
Oh, whoa, not so hard, baby. Just one in my hair.
In your hair?
Yes.
I told you. What's wrong with it getting in your hair?
The dirt? What's wrong with the dirt getting in my hair? Now you guys go stand in front and tell me when it's straight. Yep.
I think it looks good. Right.
All right, go look at it now.
Yeah. How do you know that the root will not like, if it takes a really long time to replant, how do you know that the root will still stay alive by the time you're done?
Once it's still moist, and even if it's not moist, like let's say you take it out and you want to plant it tomorrow because maybe you don't have time today, once you keep that root ball moist, like in some water, it should help the plant stay alive. You obviously don't want to keep it in there forever, but a couple days is fine. How do you know it's going to survive? It's up to chance. Sometimes you move things and they're fine.
It's in Mother Nature's hand.
Pretty much.
We got it there without hurting the roots, without breaking the tree, and without it getting like dried out. So that was a really good accomplishment.
Yep, that's right. Thanks. The rose right there, and then behind, or should we just have them all lined behind the...
I think that it would look good, like if you put a few roses.
Well, I only have 3 of them, so we have to work with the 3 that we have.
I think that would be nice if you put like a rose here, a rose there, and a rose here.
Watch where you're stepping, baby.
Sorry.
Say that again.
Or like in front, a rose here.
Well, there's something planted in here, and usually because the rows get about, I believe like 5 feet, or some of them 8 feet, so taller than me. You kind of want to keep them in the back row.
Taller than you are standing up.
Yes. Yeah. So with that height, you want to keep them in the back row. Snacking on these asparagus.
Is the camera on?
Yep.
Are these the asparaguses or are they the roses?
These are asparagus.
Can I try one?
That's the rose here. No, not with your dirty gloves.
Yummy. Can I have the other one?
Oh, I thought you were being sarcastic. We're good, right?
Yeah.
Super fresh.
People, you gotta grow asparagus. They're amazing when they're really fresh.
All right.
So are these the roses blossoming or are they just extra leaves?
They're just leafing out.
I never heard that roses have these little spikes on them.
Yep. Some of them have, these are called thorns. Some of them have a lot of thorns. Some of them don't have any or very few thorns.
What type of roses are these?
This is the Emily Bronte rose. It's, I think, my favorite. It's from a company called, thank you. Definitely don't want to break my terracotta. It's from a company called David Austin. And they have these beautiful roses. And I bought them last year. And how am I gonna take this out? Oh, I just got pricked a little bit.
You need help?
Baby, I don't want you to touch this. All right. Come on, all right, watch your hand. She's coming up.
Oh my God.
Knock down the soil.
Huh?
Knock down the soil. Get the soil back in. No, in.
Oh.
In.
There.
In. No, in the container. Like, like this. Hold on. Like back in. Yep. You're doing it. It's fine.
Oh my God, it's big.
Oh my goodness. She really rooted in. Oh my gosh.
This thing had babies. Well, it didn't have babies, but it's pregnant.
All right. Oh God. Oh. We will put her here. All right. So let me try digging a hole for her.
Dying of fungus.
This thing is insane.
Rose number 2 doesn't look as big as number 1.
We shall see what's going on underneath there.
It kind of reminds me more of like a cactus, you know?
Yeah, saw the spikes.
Yeah. I also really like how it's green and little red.
Yeah.
That looks really good.
Oh.
Oh, did you find something?
No, I missed my step on the shovel.
Oh.
Let's hope we never have to move these again. This is not fun.
I have an idea.
Oh.
Mom, I have an idea.
What?
Maybe like if you start pulling and then you like start housing at the spot that is like weak.
Okay, so I got you. So you push down on this. Down.
I know.
And I pull. Oh, ow, my toe.
Did that help?
Yeah, that was really helpful. Oh, that's so much easier. That is, oh, where am I gonna pick this one up
You
from?
can just pick it from the bottom.
So smart. You carry this from the bottom. All right.
This one was not as hard as the other ones.
Definitely not.
This one was like the little baby, helpless.
All right, let's get them planted. All right, this looks good. For which plant? Maybe this, nope. Maybe this one. What? Frightening me. You wanna help me backfill? You wanna help me backfill? You said to just go straight in a line, right? You said?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you're right. It would also look like really good if you put the last one like
A
not
little-
in the line, but like a bit ahead of it.
Okay.
With worms, there's this dark purple part of the worm. Oh God. There's a dark purple part of the worm, and that is how you know that it is that is the end of the body. And if it does not have that part, that means it is the face. A lot of people I know get confused with this stuff, so if you need help, just, you know, I'm here. I'll put you over here with the other worm I put.
All right.
There you go.
We have finished our goal for today. We planted up these 3 rose bushes and we moved the apple tree. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us while we do that. We definitely put in a lot of work today.
If you think that there's something we could have done different, please put it in the comments below.
Yes, that will be really appreciated. Thank you guys so much. And again, Irie up yourself, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.